Welcome to 10th Standard Geography. Now we are going to discuss about the island group of India. We have already discussed about the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now and again we are going to discuss about the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep title is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep, W-E, Lakshadweep Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands. Where Lakshadweep Island is situated, and it's a special character we are going to discuss now. And not only that, from this paragraph we are taking two more questions from this. First of all, Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island is situated yeah, 220 km to 440 kilometer away from the coastal city of Kochi in Kerala. You know, the Lakshadweep Island is situated in the Arabian Sea. Lakshadweep Island is situated on the Arabian Sea. In the Lakshadweep Island is situated 220 km to 440 km away from the coastal city of Kochi in Kerala. You know, the Kochi is a very famous coastal city in Kerala. In the city is known as, or otherwise called, Queen of Arabian Sea. The Kochi is known as Queen of Arabian Sea. You know, the Kerala is also a very beautiful state, situated in the southmost part of India. Nearby Tamil Nadu. In the state is having many nicknames, especially that the land of coconut, the land of trees, the God-owned countries, and in these are important names of Kerala. And this Lakshadweep Island or totally consists of 27 islands. 27 islands. And how many square kilometer of areas are occupied by this island? You know, 32 square kilometer of areas are occupied by this island groups. Only having 32 square kilometer. Totally 27 islands only exist in the Lakshadweep islands, and it cover an area of, I told it, 32 square kilometer. The Kavaratti is the administrative capital. The Kavaratti, you know, the Kavaratti is the administrative capital of Lakshadweep Islands, because of the Kavaratti is the administrative capitals of the islands. And Lakshadweep Island are separated from Maldives by the 8-degree channel. You know, 8-degree channel here. This is the Maldives. The independent country. And Lakshadweep only controlled by India. Maldives are independent country. In the Lakshadweep and Maldives are islands are situated very closer. But which one is separated? I mean that Lakshadweep Island are separated from Maldives by 8-degree channel. 8-degree channel passes through middle of Lakshadweep and Lakshadweep and Maldives. So it is separated. This in the uninhabited Piti Island. Piti Island. Piti Island is very famous for bird sanctuary. In the sanctuaries as lies on the Lakshadweep Island. This is uninhabited islands that is situated there. So it is in the islands are formed by the coral forms. So this is the special information about Lakshadweep Islands. So from this paragraph we are taking one important two more questions. First point is this is a small group of coral island. This first point. This is a small group of coral island. So located off the west coast of Arabian Sea, because India has two coasts. This is the west coast and east coast. The islands are situated of the west coast of Arabian Sea, and the third point is Kavaratti is the administrative capital, and the fourth point the area of about 32 square kilometer of area. The area of this island is 32 square kilometer of area, is the fourth point, and the fifth point in the Lakshadweep island separated from Maldives by 8-degree channel. So this 5 points very important for the 2 mark question. Thank you very much to all my students. Thank you.